Alright guys, check this out. Today I'm doing a review of this BioK, hopefully you can see this in the camera, BioK Plus Probiotic Sparkling Water, Yuzu flavor. Check that out. And here's the back. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. Here's a nutrient panel. Pause that if you want to read the video there. So it's basically carbonated water filtered. So there's erythritol, so be aware of that. So it does have artificial sugars, and it does have oh, there's some organic sugar in there. Organic fruit and vegetable color extract, and citric acid, and some probiotics are in there. So let's do a quick taste test. All right, let me smell it. Oh, it does have some aroma, so let me taste it. It's not that great. So it's okay, but it tastes nothing like Yuzu. It tastes like a spring water that's carbonated, like a Perrier, but with some sort of like xylitol in there. You can taste like the erythritol that's in there, just diluted with carbonation. You really don't taste anything. Like the yuzu flavor is nothing there, which is kind of disappointing. So, but it's not bad, but it just doesn't have that sort of yuzu taste. If you're, that nice citrus taste that yuzu brings up, I don't taste it at all in this. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.